What do you guys think of Nemo?
Too bad.
He's bad, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, come walk to me.
Alright, I'm trying.
All right. Take your time. Isaac's smart. He's following the path Daddy made.
And I'm following my own path.
Come on. Of course you're making your own path, honey. That's just like you. Come on.
I'm doing all my own path.
No whining. You got it, kid. Come on.
It's just my boot.
You lost your boot?
It's stuck.
It's okay. Take your time. Look at that. High knee. Go ahead, step with that foot. This is in the driveway. Easy 2 feet. It's all right. Take your time. Get out to the street. You got it. Come on. I would get off your belly, honey. You're going to get cold. Good job, Isaac. Good job. And Zoe is going to come up over this mountain. Let's go, kid. Move. Atta boy. Good job. You got it, kid. You got it. Blazing your own trail.
Oh, my boot came off.
Uh-oh. Boot emergency.